Tots! Welcome to Giggle Grove Tots! Today we are going to learn how to wash our hands and brush our teeth. We wash our hands to remove germs so we don't get sick. Clean hands keep us healthy and strong. First, wet your hands with clean water. Now, put some soap on your hands. You washed your hands so well. Clean hands keep us healthy. Great job, Tots. We wash our hands to remove germs so we don't get sick. Clean hands keep us healthy and strong. We brush our teeth to keep them strong and clean, so we can eat yummy food and have a big happy smile. First, wet your toothbrush with clean water. Now put a small amount of toothpaste on your brush. Brush the front, back, and chewing surfaces of your teeth gently. Brush for about 2 minutes. Sing a song while you brush. Rinse your mouth with clean water and look at your beautiful clean smile. Rinse and smile. Great job, Tots. You're all clean. You washed your hands and brushed your teeth so well. You are taking such good care of yourself. Great job, Tots. Remember how to wash your hands? Wet your hands, add soap, rub well, rinse, and dry. You can do it every time. Remember how to brush your teeth? Wet your brush, add a little toothpaste, brush gently for 2 minutes, rinse, and smile. Because it keeps us healthy, strong, and happy. When we take care of our body, we can play, learn, and giggle more. Thank you for washing your hands and brushing your teeth with Sproutie today. See you soon, Tots. Keep washing your hands and brushing your teeth every day.